This quick grain-free recipe uses ground lupin instead of rice. If you're unable to find the ground lupin, you can use ground sprouted moong dal or coarse almond powder instead of lupin. Important note: the recipe shown in the video was made using Carrington's ground lupin, not lupin flour. You can find the Amazon link in the video description below, or by directly searching Amazon for Carrington's ground lupin. Ground lupin has a coarser texture, works better for this dish, and is naturally low GI and keto friendly. You will need 1 cup of ground lupin bean, 2 cups of water, ghee, a small handful of cashew nuts, a pinch of cardamom powder, a little grated coconut, half cup jaggery, and about 3 tablespoons of water. For a keto or sugar-free version, replace the jaggery with monk fruit sweetener. Start by cooking the ground lupin bean. Place 1 cup of ground lupin bean with 2 cups of water in a microwave-safe bowl and cook it for about 3 minutes until soft and fully cooked. Heat ghee in a pan on medium heat. Add the cashew nuts and roast them lightly until golden. Stir in the cardamom powder and grated coconut, allowing the aroma to release. Add the jaggery along with 3 tablespoons of water and mix well, letting it melt. Once the sweet mixture is ready, add the cooked ground lupin bean to the pan. Mix thoroughly so it is evenly coated with the jaggery syrup. Cook for another couple of minutes. Serve warm,